Of course, the information flashing on your screens, Prime Minister Narendra Modi's program has been cancelled in view of the Pahalgam incident, the terror attack. He was set to come to Kanpur to inaugurate a metro. Nikita Sareen on the telecast with me. Nikita, what more can you tell us?
Well, absolutely. In view of Pahalgam terrorist attack, Prime Minister Narendra Modi's Kanpur visit has been cancelled. And in fact, Prime Minister Narendra Modi's public meeting was scheduled to be held in Kanpur on 24th of this month, and Prime Minister was to lay the foundation stone and inaugurate a total of 11 important projects during the newly built metro station, and the party organization officials was engaged in a special preparation to make Prime Minister Modi's Kanpur visit a big success. But due to yesterday's attack, this whole program has been cancelled. And before this, if we talk about Bharatiya Janata Party workers, they are also inviting people by visiting mandals and also the markets and houses of all assembly constituencies for Modi visit. And Kanpur, if we talk about, Lord President Anil Dixit has also assigned area-wise responsibility to district officials. But now everything has been cancelled in view of Pahalgam terrorist attack. And as of now, if we talk about the total number of deaths has been officially, that statement came is 28 as of now, and different opinions from opposition has also been coming. And if we talk about Samajwadi Party President Akhilesh Yadav, he is also blaming Bharatiya Janata Party behind all this. But as of now, 28 people have been killed, and this is the official statement that has been made. Meanwhile, Prime Minister's Narendra Modi visit on Kanpur on 24th of this month has been cancelled now. Over to you.
Absolutely, Nikita. More breaking news coming in at this point of time, where security forces continue to question several people